Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are exploring Malikul Mulk. The meaning of Malikul Mulk. Allah is the eternal owner of His kingdom. He shares neither the ownership nor the power, government or guardianship of the universe with anyone. Indeed, the whole universe is one kingdom because all creation is interconnected. In this way, it resembles the human being whose hands, feet, eyes, mind, heart, and all organs are individual units, yet connected, forming a single totality. The universe is a whole with harmonious parts, created for a purpose, realizing and fulfilling this purpose. Allah says, I was a hidden treasure, I wished to be known. Therefore, I created creation. Thus, the purpose and function of the creation is to know, to find, and to be with the Creator. The human being is the universe in microcosm. Whatever exists in it exists in us. Humanity is also the supreme creation and the deputy of Allah. That is why Allah bestows upon some of His servants for a prescribed time kingdoms, land, property, wealth, and lets them rule over them. Allah also gives certain servants the knowledge of how to govern so that their kingdoms grow, their profits grow. He forbids them to follow their egos, their selfishness, which can only lead them to perdition. If they become servants of their egos and use the wealth left in their care for themselves, all will be lost upon their deaths. They'll be bankrupt, imprisoned in the dungeons of hell. If people apply Allah's law to His kingdom, which is lent to them, and apply it to themselves as well, and if they govern for His pleasure and spend for His sake, the true owner of the kingdom will exchange the temporal kingdom He has bestowed upon them here for the eternal kingdom of the hereafter. So who is Abdul Malikul Mulk? Abdul Malikul Mulk becomes a witness to Allah's power over His kingdom. He therefore realizes that Allah uses him as His deputy in governing the universe and himself. That realization makes him a perfect servant, and Allah's reward to him may increase to the greatest worldly heights. Such a person depends on nothing except Allah, knowing that He is the only true king and himself tries only to be a true servant, the highest level any human being can hope to reach. The faithful who recite this name 212 times daily will have their sustenance increased by unexpected means. The doubts they may have in their minds will turn into assurances. People under their care will respect and obey them with pleasure. Assalamu alaikum.